So you've all been reading about Industry 4.0 and the use of cloud technologies in manufacturing. But how is cloud technologies relevant specifically with machine vision? Hi, my name is Raghava Kashyapa. I'm the CEO of Qualtas Technologies, and in this video I'm going to discuss with you how cloud and machine vision can be integrated together to form a powerful combination for your solutions. So cloud isn't new to manufacturing. So you've probably used cloud-based systems for your ERPs or your MES systems, or even just backing up certain sensor data in cloud infrastructure or cloud-hosted servers. But where is it actually used in machine vision? There's three possible uses which can really augment a machine vision solution to form some powerful benefits. The first reason to use cloud is to actually use it as a backup for your images. So you have this valuable information that's being captured by these cameras in terms of what kind of possible defects are being seen in your assembly line. And so having that be saved and stored can be very beneficial for traceability as well as root cause analysis. Now, you're going to see very limited storage on your industrial PC or any kind of local compute. So the cloud is the best way to actually back that up and take advantage of this elastic storage mechanism where you can have unlimited storage at a fraction of a cost. The second reason is using cloud-based workflows to enhance your vision capabilities. So let's take a look at what this is. So here at Qualtas, we've developed a solution that allows these images that have been backed up to be then presented to a human grader to identify which of these images have actually been judged correctly by the system or not. Now, why is that important? So once a system is deployed, it's sort of like a black box. Now, you don't really know how it's performing, whether it's delivering the accuracies that you really intended this system to check for. So using this cloud-based application that we have, you are verifying by taking a subset of inspected images and identifying whether the system judgment and the human judgment actually align, and thus actually objectively measuring your accuracy. And so this way you're ensuring that your accuracies that the system is intended for is actually being realized. The third reason why cloud can be really powerful and beneficial is now with artificial intelligence and deep learning based systems, you know that training these systems require a high computational power, with the use of specialized GPUs, etc. And with cloud-based compute, that becomes a lot easier and more cost-effective than actually having these physical devices on-premise. So a Tesla V100 GPU, for instance, would easily set you back for about $25,000, which you can actually get at a fraction of a cost if you take some cloud service provider like Amazon, AWS, or Microsoft Azure. So cloud compute is the third reason you'd want to consider the cloud. So here at Qualtas, we've actually been using cloud technologies for the past couple of years, and we've seen tremendous benefits in all these different areas. So the next time you're deploying your machine vision solution, do consider cloud and all the advantages it has to offer to enhance your machine vision solution to extract the maximum benefits. Thank you. Hope this video was useful, and have a great day.